How's it going? Welcome to another quick message that I have for you. I hope you guys are doing well today. I just want to invite you guys, if you are interested in learning about affiliate marketing and how to use that method as a way to make extra income for yourself, go ahead and get registered now for the Level-1 Affiliate Bootcamp course, which will be coming out here shortly. I put this together because I realized from my experience in just doing affiliate marketing online, there's a lot of people interested in learning about affiliate marketing and actually learning how to make money using this method. But at the same time, there's a bunch of people who are out there ready to take advantage of you and want to go ahead and just give you no information but grab all the money that you have to invest in yourself and your education. So with this course, you will be able to learn about exactly what affiliate marketing is, how affiliate marketing works, and how you can actually start from scratch to putting out your first promotion and being successful and making some money and learning lots while you do that. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and get registered. Course hasn't been put out yet, but it's definitely almost completed and registrations will get filled up quickly. So if you want to get a spot, feel free again to sign up, use your real email so that way you can stay updated on the release date and all other important information in regards to the course. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.